Hi, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't vlogged since many days, but today is a good day to start again. Why I was not vlogging from so many days, that we'll keep up for some other day. So right now I have come to pick up Saima from her place, and she's already here, I guess.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam.
कैसे हो बेटा?
Alhamdulillah. Where are we going, Sim?
एडन for इफ्तियारी।
So basically we are going to Eden today. Sifa has arranged for an iftar at Eden, and we all girls are doing potluck iftar today. So we have
किसको
got
सबसे बेस्ट डिश मिलेगी? That is going to be a surprise. And we are about to reach Eden.
parking.
सबसे बड़ी मुसीबत आजकल पार्किंग है।
We have reached Eden, and Sifa is very angry on me because I told her I'll be reaching at 5:45, but it's already 6:20 now. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Alina. Say hi. Say hi, please. Mariam, can you say hi? Say hi. माशाल्लाह. कटलेट्स कैसे साइमा? Sifa made this special mango cheesecake, and Afra made this special dessert. Afra's special dessert. Saima's special chicken fry and bhajiyas. I love her handmade onion bhajiyas. सेलेवेंस का समोसा, मेरी मम्मी के स्पेशल नूडल्स वाले कटलेट्स,
very tasty.
and Eden special chicken chili, fruits. Alhamdulillah. Hi. Sifa madam is busy arranging everything for us. Too tired, na?
Very tired.
A few moments later.
The mango cake was so yummy, and even this Afra's dessert. My god. And my mom cutlets are also over. Sifa's on dieting. She's only eating watermelon.
And she'll post all of these.
They're discussing about carpets. Sifa का बहुत कीमती carpet which we are about to spoil. Hi. You must finish everything.
Come.
One more time.
Nobody will wipe their hand on my carpet. Yes, sorry, auntie.
Rina enjoying her mango cheesecake. Alhamdulillah, finishing off with ran rice. Thank you, Mansur bhai. चलो खुदाफिज.
Come soon for that burger, we will enjoy.
Done. Inshallah. चलो बाय सिफा. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
थोड़ी देर पहले वाली बातें रिकॉर्ड कर लेनी चाहिए.